So I'm here with the Advanced Water Rescue mannequin from Ruth Lee and Lifecast. It's a collaboration between the two companies, and I wanted to just show you what the Airway looks like. We've had a few questions about how does the torso element, the Lifecast piece that you see in front of you, fit into the suit, and we're going to show you that on some other videos. But we're going to focus very briefly on what does the Airway actually look like. So I've got the video laryngoscope here from Intersurgical, and what we're going to do is we're going to ask Stuart and his camera to come around, and we're going to focus on what you can see on the screen as I introduce the laryngoscope into the airways itself. So just using the blade of the laryngoscope, you can see here's our first landmark, the uvula at the back of the throat. You can see hopefully the little dangly piece that we've all got at the back of our throats. And then as I introduce the blade lower and lower down the throat and start to lift, you'll start to see the first two bumpy cartilages coming into view, the arytenoid cartilages. And then as I start to lift up on the laryngoscope, you can see the vocal cords. And if you look closely, you can see the tracheal ring. So that's the view that we would hope that you're seeing on intubation. I'm going to withdraw again, and we'll show you how easy that was. So this laryngoscope is using a size 4 blade. There's nothing clever about the laryngoscope in any way. It's just a standard size 4 blade. From an intubation point of view, he's fairly easy. From a manual maneuvers and suctioning and other techniques point of view, again, he's a great teaching tool. We can apply jaw thrust using a number of techniques to open up the airway. We can also use the normal airway adjuncts, nasal airways, oral airways, suctioning. You'll notice that we packed out the shoulders, and one of the important teaching points that with any of the Lifecast mannequins is to make sure that you get all of your alignment in place associated with getting the best view you can. And obviously in adults, that's very much about packing out their shoulders. Thank you.